This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, good evening, everyone. So, in the last topic, that is deployment of our application to the live. So, in this, no coding, nothing. Whatever application we are implemented, how to deployment this application to the production or live environment. Deployment is nothing but the process of moving application to the live or production. Suppose in my system, in the D drive, in our folder DJANGO 14th November, there are so many applications are there. But all are available into the local system, local host. I want to deploy that one to the live or production. What is the process? There are several deployment options are available for the Django web application. All those options are provided based on client wish, means how many users they are using, what is the performance wise, how much they are provided, what is the price, how much security. Suppose I have one website is there. Okay, that website, my website is assume that Google ankondi. I want to upload this one to some different server. What is the price, maintenance cost for every month? How much security they can provide it for my site? And how many users can access this one? Scalability. Is it easy to use or not? Based on some factors, client can be decided the deployment server and where can I deploy it. There are so many deployment servers are there. GoDaddy any, pythonanywhere.com, Heroku. There are so many servers are there. Who is giving best price and a low price, more security, more number of people. Such type of things they can be selected. Okay. So if I want to go with the deployment, available for DJANGO web application. These options will be based on scalability, means how many people can access my application. Any number of people or some sites, if more number of users increases, the performance will be down and the response is not coming very fast. What is the performance of application? What is the price of that they charged for my site? How much security they can provide it for my data? Is it easy to use or not? This is the type of factors they have to consider. Based on that, they have to go with the deployment. There are different deployment platforms are there. మనకి ఫర్ Django applications కి pythonanywhere.com, pythonanywhere.com, Amazon Cloud, Heroku, GoDaddy, or Digital Ocean or something is there. Okay. So majorly in this deployment, there are three terminologies are there. What about those three means? First one, sir, sometimes we are heard about the Git, GitHub. What is the difference between these two? Hub. Git lo hub ledu, GitHub lo hub undi. So what is the Git? What is the purpose? What is the GitHub? Why we need to go for GitHub? We తెలియాలంటే there are three technologies are there in entire this deployment process. One is version control system. Version control system. Second one is remote hosting server. Remote hosting. Third one, deployment platform. Why these three main means? Present your application is in local host. This system, what it is doing? What is the version control system? What is the purpose means? Sir, for example, the project is ready. This is the application. We are given demonstration to the client. Sir, our project is ready. I am given complete demo how it is working, everything. Client is also accepted. Okay, fine. Bond. This is the version 1. Now client is telling, Babu, here a small change is required. Do the changes here and here and here. I am doing changes in the same version. Okay, done. Now my client is asking, okay, 3 days back, you are showing one application. Can you please show me that application? He is asking. Is it available? Not available. Because previous application I modified, I changed, given demonstration to the client, old version is not there. But my client is asking, okay, 3 days back you are open one application. That application you can open, I will check that. Sorry, sir, it is not there. That version I changed modifications, I am given this one. That is the problem. Suppose if you maintain two versions, previous version 3 days back, whatever you explained, it is available. Version 1 and latest version 2 both are available. If client is asking 3 days back application, can you open? Yes, sir, see this. This is the old one. This is the new one. Then client will decide, old one best, new one best. Client will decide it. Otherwise, in the second, again, they have to do some changes. Okay. Then again, I have to do one more. Here, this is the version 3. 3 lo malli new changes. Now, ఈ 3 versions లో client will decide it. First, second, third. Which one is the best one? He will decide it. So, existing version I don't want modify. I want to maintain multiple version. First one, second one, third one, fourth one modification. This maintenance will be done by this version control system. That version control system mechanism is Git. Git can maintain all your versions with every new modifications. And just like we have to provide some backup files, we can easy to identify differences between multiple. ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, I can identify first one ki, second one ki, what is the different, second ki, third ki, what is the different. Every differences I can identify. Final client decision. Sorry, okay, second one okay, you can deploy to the second one. That is the meaning of version control system. Same project, multiple versions we have to maintain. Such a type of mechanism is called as a version control system. So many version control systems are there. Top 15 version control. ఇదిగోండి, గిట్, ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అంట, బిట్ బకెట్, మెర్క్యూరియల్, జిఎన్యు బజార్, 20 best version control systems. So that is the meaning of version control system. We have to maintain version by version, multiple versions. GitHub, GitLab, Snowtrack, Mercurial, CVS, Bitbucket, your multiple tools are there. So that is the need of version control system. First one, to maintain multiple versions of the same project. Same project, multiple versions I can maintain. At any point of time, we can have backup of previous version. We have the backup for previous versions. We can see the differences between two or more versions in our code base. We can run multiple versions of the same project simultaneously. Git, So the main purpose of Git is version control system which maintain and track the different versions. That is the purpose of the Git. So many people don't know difference of Git and GitHub. Git is a version control system which maintain and track different versions. So what is the Git? You are getting clarity. Git is nothing but one version control system which can maintain the different versions. Now, Git versus GitHub. So first project always will goes to the Git. From there to GitHub. Then only deployment is very easy. What is the GitHub means? Ikkada three words are there. No, second one. It is one of the remote hosting server. Now the flow is our application is in local host, local system. Yeah. From local host to first I want to send to version control system. I am using Git. Maybe some people using different. No problem. From Git to I want to send this one to GitHub. It is one of the remote hosting server. ఇక్కడి నుంచి GitHub కి once it is there, then I want to go to deployment server కి, then I can shift it to here. I am using, there are so many deployment servers are there. I am using pythonanywhere.com. ఇక్కడ I will upload because that is the free. Remaining అయితే paid. It will be free until 3 months once the project uploaded. So that is the flow. First in the D drive to Git, Git to GitHub, GitHub to live. Then you can open pythonanywhere.com. You can type the sunnyjobs.com and they will give one site. My application will be opened in your mobiles or laptop anywhere. That is the process. So Git we know version control system. GitHub is nothing but remote hosting server, one central repository which can be stored our project. Local to central repository. GitHub. GitHub is a remote hosting platform to host our files remotely. Host our code repository. Best one GitHub, but there are so many are there. Bitbucket, GitLab, so many remote hosting servers are there. If application is GitHub, then it is easy to deployment. If our application at remote hosting platform, then deployment on various platforms, very easy. That is the GitHub. GitHub is yes. So two done. One is version control system Git. It is to maintain different versions. Second one, remote hosting server. That is the GitHub, which can be send my code to remote server. Third terminology, deployment platforms. What is the deployment platform? Where we have to deploy our application. There are so many are there. Best I am using pythonanywhere.com. There are multiple deployment servers are there. pythonanywhere.com because it is the free digital version. Heroku, Amazon Cloud. So many will be there. That is the three terminologies: version control system, remote hosting server, deployment platform. ఈ మూడు తెలిస్తే deployment is very simple. Main these three terminologies only. The first you have to install Git into your machine. How to install the Git? Go to the Google, Git download, and this is the site. From this site, download for Windows. It is one of the source code management tool. Once you download exe, just you can double click, it will be installed. Source code management software. So in my machine already it is there. Once you install idigondi, here one git bash will be created. Idi. Open this. Here we are using all our Linux commands. just like ante not exact line, just like those type of commands are there. Git init ani initialization purpose, adding files, status. Suppose git status అన్నాం, repository parent directory dot git, ఎందుకంటే డాట్ గిట్ నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్ కాబట్టి నథింగ్ విల్ బి దేర్. ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు git init. So there are 5 6 commands are there. Based on that we have to, I will let just 6 commands. First command is git init. It will be initialized the local repository. It is to create an initialize repository. అంటే one dot git file will be created. Second one, git add files. ఫైల్స్ మీన్స్ సపోజ్ ఒక సింగిల్ ఫైల్ అనుకోండి, abc.txt. మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్ ఫోల్డర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, జస్ట్ గిట్ యాడ్ డాట్. ఇన్ కరెంట్ ఫోల్డర్లో హౌ మెనీ ఫైల్స్ ఫోల్డర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఆల్ విల్ బి యాడెడ్. దట్స్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ git add files. It is to add all files to staging area. Git commit -m message. Any message you can give. To commit changes so that changes will be stored in local repository. Fourth, git status. What is the current status of repository? Final ga, whatever activities you are performing, git log. It will specify all commits. Today, whatever you are doing, all commits will be displayed. That is the 5 commands. So I have to deploy so this process is available into our local system, local machine. This is the job. So here, internal backside tables data is available. Okay, these jobs are there, colors, static files, everything is there. Pune jobs I'm not implemented hash. So if you are implemented, if you click on this, but this project is available in my machine only. The local host it is available. This project I want to upload to pythonanywhere.com. Okay, how to deploy the project. So first one, you have to, because in that current folder, so many folders projects are there. I have to create it in the D drive. In the this PC D drive. Is there any my current working directory? Oh, already. Okay. I am removing. Gone. Create one new directory. New folder. My CWD. Current working directory. Here nothing. Empty will be there. In this one, our project D drive. DJANGO 14th November 7:30 p.m. Sunny jobs. Copy. Come to here. Paste it. Project is there. Present project is available D drive. My current working directory Sunny jobs are available there. Only 3 steps are there. First you have to send your project to version control system. Nothing but Git. Akkadi నుంచి how to send to the remote hosting server? Nothing but GitHub. From there to I want to send it to deployment platform. Only 3 steps. So go to the Git bash. So here folder. Okay, first of all, 1 minute. I will use the steps one by one. Create a new folder. Anywhere you can create. My folder name is current working directory. Where it is in my machine, path is D drive. Second step, what I was doing is, I copied the project Sunny jobs. My current working directory. ఇక్కడ నుంచి previous comments you can use. Go to the git bash. So I want to go to the D drive, sir. Same our comments only. CD D drive, and it is pointing to the D drive. So first one, go to your current working directory. CD D drive. After that, go to the current working directory. CD. What is the current working? My CWD. Then it is pointing to the D drive, current working directory. It is there. CD, my current working directory. Present inside, you have to check it. Go to your current working directory. Only Sunny jobs is available there. In that, there is no dot folders are not there. First command, whatever I'm telling is, what is the command? Git init. Whenever it is done, it will be initialized one repository that is called as our Git will be watching your files. And a dot Git folder will be created. So here Git init initialized empty Git repository dot Git file. Then your all files are monitoring by the Git. If you did any changes, then it will tell so and so changes are there. If I'm using commit, changes will be permanently. In our database, commit rollback is there na same. Commit means changes will be done permanently. So next command, git init initialize. ఇదిగో చూడండి folder is created here internally. ఇందాక only Sunny jobs are there. Now .git is there. Now your file is under watched by repository. That is the next command. Next, what to do? I want to add files. In your current folder, file is there, folder is there. Folder. In this folder, multiple folders, files. All I want to add for that, git add dot. Dot means in the current directory, whatever folder files are there, everything will be added. So next command is git add dot. Once I'm adding, I'm asking status. Everything will be clear. We're not doing anything, nothing. Git git status. And all are added, total files. Change to be committed. manage.py, populate, static, CSS, job1, CSS files ఉన్నాయి కదా మొత్తం అన్ని under surveillance added. I want to do any changes. Hash git status. I want to do some commit, first commit. Git commit -m. First commit will be done. Okay, now you can ask git status. Branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. And inside I'm not doing any changes. If you go with git log, it will be displayed. First commit done today, Wednesday, 8 o'clock, 8:10, first commit. And I'm not doing any changes, just I'm using first commit, second commit like that. No? It will be displayed. Then next level, I can add some code, then I can do commit, then it will be displayed. Commit -m. And after changing code, I will do commit again. Second commit, third commit, like that. If you want to see all, git log. Heavy commands. Now your application is under git. From there to go to the GitHub. Because present it is in version control system. You can go to the GitHub. So go to the browser, open github.com. This is free. First you have to create your already it is login. ఇంకోండి మహేష్ DJANGO 123 sign out. If you don't have any account, you have to create it. Okay, sign out all accounts అంట. ఇంకోండి ఇది first time, if you don't have any account, you can go with the sign up. You can create one account, your mail ID, password, all the things. I have account కాబట్టి I directly click on sign in. Anywhere same process, VS Code, whatever is there, no problem. Present I am taking data from the D drive, C drive, not VS Code, PyCharm, anything is the same process. Sir, once I log into this one, this is my the home page. Okay. First you have to create one repository. Repository name, any name you can use. My repository name, jobs_repository. Available. Make it as a public. Anyone can access. Go down. Create repository. Repository created. And if we commands, next we have to use the command. These three commands. Git remote add origin. Git branch. Git push. Git to GitHub it is coming. Your address is, this is the HTTP address. ఇది మెయిన్. ఈ అడ్రస్ నా చోట కాపీ చేయండి. ఇది మెయిన్ అడ్రస్, అవర్ రిపాజిటరీ అడ్రస్. ఫర్ దిస్ అడ్రస్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ గిట్ will be updated there. Present here, there is no project, nothing, empty repository is there. How to add it, this one, observe. So first step is go to the GitHub, create new repository. The repository name is jobs_repo. Repository created. ఇప్పుడు go to the git bash. అక్కడి నుంచి we have to push the project to repository. So where you are getting address, ఇదిగోండి in this site, దీన్ని ఈ HTTP ఉంది కదా, this one you can copy. ఇదిగో కమాండ్స్ ఇవి, git remote add origin. వీటిని go to there, copy, come to here. అది డైరెక్ట్గా పేస్ట్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా. git remote add origin HTTP. Yeah. Click on enter. If you are not getting any error, command executed. So that is the first command. Just అక్కడ ఇచ్చిన 3 commands ని copy paste one by one. This origin is nothing but aliasing name. Aliasing name for your remote repository. చూడండి సెకండ్ కమాండ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ వన్? ఇదిగో ఇది git branch -m main. కాపీ, కమ్ టు గిట్ బ్యాష్. ఇక్కడ కంట్రోల్ వి పనిచేయదు, రైట్ క్లిక్, పేస్ట్. ఇఫ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఎనీ ఎర్రర్, కమాండ్ ఈజ్ వర్కింగ్. ది సెకండ్ కమాండ్. ఓకే, 1 minute. థర్డ్ వన్, git push -u origin main. Come to here, paste it, enter. ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈజ్ అప్లోడెడ్ టు యువర్ GitHub. ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేయండి, GitHub లో ఆల్ ఫైల్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్. జాబ్స్ రిపో, ఇదిగోండి సన్నీ జాబ్స్. అప్ టు నౌ మై ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ D drive లో. దేర్ టు గిట్ వర్షన్ కంట్రోల్, అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి సన్నీ జాబ్స్. ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ ఆల్ యువర్ ఫైల్స్, ఇదిగో స్టాటిక్ ఫైల్స్, జాబ్స్, టెస్ట్ యాప్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఓపెన్ మనకు తెలిసిన ఫైల్ వ్యూస్, views.py, home page, Hyderabad jobs view, any all are available there. Models, Hyderabad jobs, date time folders, okay, templates, Hyderabad jobs, code unna. Ikkada you can do any changes, it is updated to next level pythonanywhere.com. Idi process mottam. So 2 steps are done. Third command, ఇది command. Finally, last one, update this one to pythonanywhere.com. అక్కడికి ప్రాజెక్ట్ అప్లోడెడ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ని వీ కన్వర్టెడ్ టు గిట్. అక్కడి నుంచి గిట్ హబ్కి జస్ట్ దీస్ 3 కమాండ్స్. ఫైనల్ స్టెప్, go to this site pythonanywhere.com. ఇక్కడికి you have to deploy. Then deployment process completed. ఇది అవసరం లేదులే ఉందిగా. సో ఫ్రమ్ github to pythonanywhere.com. Open the site. ఇది ఫ్రీ సైట్ pythonanywhere.com. Here also you have to first log in with your mail ID. And my project name, login. డాష్బోర్డ్, ఇదిగోండి డాష్బోర్డ్, కన్సోల్స్, ఫైల్స్, వెబ్. ఇక్కడ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేయాలి వెబ్లో. ఇన్ ది యూ హ్యావ్ నో వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్. ఓకే, డేటాబేస్, టాస్క్, ఫైల్స్ ఆర్ టోటల్ ఫైల్స్ ఇస్ కమింగ్. ఇంకా అప్లోడ్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి నథింగ్, ఎంటీ. ఫస్ట్ కమ్ టు ద డాష్బోర్డ్. ఇన్ దిస్ డాష్బోర్డ్ కన్సోల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. న్యూ కన్సోల్, క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ bash console. ఇక్కడ అగైన్ one console will be opened. This is the bash console. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఇందాక ఎలా ఉన్నాయి కమాండ్స్, here also we can use the commands. First we have to create one virtual environment. What is the reason for that? Means in my machine Python version is the different, Django version is the different. In your machine Python version is the different, Django version is different. That's why one common virtual environment will be created based on my system configurations. In that I can upload the project. So first one, pythonanywhere.com. In this, in the dashboard, go to the new console, click on bash console. Then one Linux mode is available. Here we have to create VNEV, virtual environment. How to create means the command is idigondi. Once you click on bash console, one environment is available, dollar symbol. Here the command is mk virtual env. What is the version available in your machine? In my machine Python 3.10 అనుకుంటా. My proj. My proj is the aliasing name for your virtual environment. And first we can execute it. ఇదిగోండి, make virtual env -python equal to 3.10. ఇది any name you can give here, my proj. That is aliasing name for your virtual environment. అక్కడ 2049 will be changed as a my proj. ఇది సర్వర్లో కదా, it will take some time, slowly will be executed. సైజ్ పెద్ద అయిపోయింది ఇది. ఇది కర్సరు. ఇదిగోండి. సో వన్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ you can check it. What is the virtual environment name? My proj. That is the aliasing name. ఇది తగ్గించడమే బెస్ట్. Yeah, this is the command. My PROJ, my project is name of the virtual environment created. Once it is there, whatever softwares are there, you have to check it here. Pip list. Pip ఉంది setup tools వీలు my project. DJANGO కావాలి కదా. DJANGO is not there. Install DJANGO. First check that what is version available in your machine. So here import Django dot underscore version 4.1 is there. Same version installed into here. How to install? Same process. Pip install Django equal to 4.1. Now previous 3 softwares are there. Once it is installed, it is installing. Server side kada, it will take some time. ఇదిగోండి successfully installed Django. ఇప్పుడు you can ask pip list. This time Django is available there. Django ఉంది. So Django is there, Python is there. Now deploy your application. So what is the next step we have to go with? Pip list. Django is not available. You have to install Django. Pip install Django. Now 4.1 is there. I am installing 4.1. In your machine which is available, that you have to install. Yeah, whatever Python version is there, that version you have to add. Once installed, you can ask pip list. ఇప్పుడు I want to upload the project. In the GitHub లో URL ఉంది కదా, one URL. This is the URL. https github.com maheshsr jobs repo. Copy this. Go to the virtual environment. Git clone. Paste avudada. Git clone our repository name. It is cloning reuse 42 counting objects available there. ఇదిగోండి readme text file ఒకటి jobs repo 2 are available there. cd jobs underscore repo. In this list ls sunny jobs available there. So you need to ask pwd means present working directory path will be displayed. That is the main. ఇదిగోండి home లో Mahesh project jobs repo. In this sunny jobs. So cd sunny we are in jobs repo kada sunny jobs kallam sunny jobs ఇందులో you need to ask ls again our files manage.py populate.py static files sunny jobs templates test app you can ask pwd current working path ఇది మెయిన్ పాత్ మనకు కావాల్సిన పాత్ then you can come to this after pip list have to go with git clone this path that path is this one this path we have to give after that list of elements will be displayed cd jobs underscore repo again you can display list after that sunny jobs you can ask pwd present working path that is nothing but source code path ఇవి steps generally in our regularly once models.py is there a table I want to create what is the command make migrations and migrate ఇప్పుడు కూడా సేమ్ కమాండ్స్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ హియర్ ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ సన్నీ జాబ్స్ py manage.py make migrations command not found okay sometimes py is not working you don't worry give full command python manage.py make migrations సరే పెద్ద error వచ్చింది ఏమన్నాడు the problem is what is the problem I will show go to dashboard project already uploaded here ఎందుకండి go to your files the problem is jobs repo sunny jobs in settings in our regular day I configured mysql ఇక్కడ mysql not there అది ప్రాబ్లం ఇంకోండి the problem is settings.py అది ప్రాబ్లం ఇదిగోండి which one is there mysql sunny jobs root అది big problem in what to do means the drive DJANGO 14th November ఏదో ప్రాజెక్ట్ go to settings అంటే నార్మల్ by default settings you can copy this come here paste it అంటే just you can replace save save changes go to the dashboard go to the our console bash console this is the number ఇప్పుడు run the command definitely it will execute ఇదిగోండి python manage.py make migrations no changes detected python manage.py migrate execution done so ఇంకా regular activities whatever you are doing same activities you have to do. Tables and everything will be there. ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా web settings is required. Go to here, web. You don't have any web apps, okay. Add a new web page. Click on next. ఇదిగోండి DJANGO on web, flask, bottle, manual configuration I have to go. 3.10 version is available. Come to the next. ఇదిగోండి ఇది మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్. ఇదిగోండి ఇది ఈ అడ్రస్ వాల్ కన్ఫిగరేషన్ డన్. You can type in your mobiles or system, then project will be opened. ఇది project address. Mahesh project dot python anywhere.com. అది site address. Okay, but ఇంకా still configuration is there. Wait. This is available until 22nd April 2025. 3 months it is the free. Come down. ఇదిగోండి enter path of your web application. Source code path. Just now previously copied this path. This source code path. Copy this, come here, paste it, check it. Yes, correct. After that, I have to go with virtual environment path. Virtual path లేదుగా. What is virtual path over there? హోమ్ మహేష్ ప్రాజెక్టు ఇక్కడ వరకు కామన్ డాట్ వర్చువల్ ENVs environments my PROJ home mahesh project dot virtual ENVs. You can give this and check it, is it accepting? No. Validate it is accepted. Now done. Reload the project. If everything goes fine, ఇప్పుడు this one, right click, open in new tab. Came, not came. మీ దానిలో కూడా you can open it, it will come hello world only. The reason for that, by default settings it is there, WSGI file. Go to here, ఇదిగోండి. Go to the WSGI file. This is the file. By default in this file, which code is there, it will be displayed. ఇదిగోండి hello world. ఇదిగోండి this one, it is displaying hello world code. See this hello world, this is the default welcome page of pythonanywhere.com. Instead of that, sunny jobs we can require. A small configuration is required. WSGI, starting we discussed web server gateway interface. In that, give your application path. Now come to the back story again. This is the source code path. ఇంకా అయిపోయింది 2 minutes, ఇంకా అయిపోద్ది. టుమారో రెస్ట్ అయిపోయి ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్. ఆకలేస్తుందా? ఇందులో చికెన్ ఇవ్వాలి బుధవారం, అది అందుకే వేస్తుంది ఆకలి. జస్ట్ 2 steps అయిపోద్ది దీంతో క్లోజ్ ఇవాళతో. మేక్ మైగ్రేషన్స్, migrate. Go to the web tab. Add a new web app. Instead, you have to select manual configuration. Instead, you have to select Python 3.10. Give source path as this one. After that, virtual environment path is అదేది virtual path. Reload application. Then you are getting welcome page. Then everything will goes fine. Only final thing is WSGA settings you can change. Then completed. That is the final step. By default welcome page it is coming. If we change the database, then we data stored MySQL. SQL 3 stored internally, not MySQL. It is stored all in server side, not in your machine. Yeah, server side I am storing pythonenv.com server. It will take care. We are not storing in our machine. So shown now final setting is go to that WSGI file. Ikkada hello world whatever is there na, that total you delete it because it is coming. Okay. Here on the pine commenting. This total thing you can comment. Okay, now application path ఇది కూడా comment it. మనకి ఎక్కడి నుంచి కావాలంటే మెయిన్ DJANGO ఇది మెయిన్ కోడ్. Import OS application uncomment. ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ చేంజెస్. మన WSGA OS import is path ఇది కాదు కదా. The path is this is the path. Copy the path. Come to here change. That is the path. Single quotes. If path not in the sys.path append of path os dot change dir of path environment variable. This is the wrong. Go to our Sunny jobs. What is the direct path? Open this Sunny jobs WSGI. Open this file. They will give ఇదిగోండి ఇది path os dot environment default DJANGO. ఈ line you can copy. Go to the website. Here you can paste it. Any changes are there? Import Django library Django dot setup. Then remove all these. Save. If everything goes fine, it will come. Go to the web tab, reload. Come to pythonanywhere.com, refresh. Very good. Disallowed host slash ఓహో ఇది కదా హెడర్ మహేష్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ డాట్ పైథాన్ ఎనీవేర్ డాట్ కామ్. ఇదిగోండి దిస్ వన్, కాపీ దిస్, కమ్ టు హియర్, go to the files, jobs repo, Sunny jobs, again Sunny jobs, settings.py. There are somewhere else allowed hosts are there. Only allowed host is there. In this case, you have to give Mahesh jobs project. Save. It is saved. Go to the web, reload. Come this, refresh. Yeah, project. Now you can open in your mobile maheshproject.com Python anywhere. Hyderabad jobs. No jobs. What is the reason? Go to the console. In that you can use pypopulate.py. Ante where? Chunde. Come this. Go to dashboard. Because we are not using populate.py file, na, that is the problem. Now come to here. Sunny jobs we are. How to run file? Python populate.py. And the records are not there. Packer module is not there. Because only in my machine it is there. But this is server side. Install pip, install Packer. Whatever software is not there, you can install. All these are done in server side. So Packer module installed. Because of in my system, Packer module is there. MySQL, everything is there. All this done in that is virtual environment. In that environment, I installed successfully. Put run python populate.py. Enter number of records 50. Records inserted successfully. Now come to here. Refresh. Came not came. In your mobile you can open now. ఎందుకు కలర్స్ రాలేదంటే స్టాటిక్స్ కలర్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు, దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్. స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ deployment process. So in the real time 90% no one can ask, just your it's a knowledge purpose only. How to deploying. Actually in the deployment purpose company there are different people will be there. ఇది WGA file. This file you have to take. Not required Google Classroom, I will give. Reload application. Again we will get error. Disallowed host yet slash. For that, in settings.py, allowed underscore host equal to inside the Mahesh project python anywhere.com. Then refresh the browser bus. So that is the deployment. Colors antara small settings are there. Then automatically colors also will be displayed. It on all the company jobs. Main page. Pune jobs ledu hash. Bangalore jobs nothing hash. Hyderabad jobs are available displayed. That is the deployment process. So today the DJANGO was completed successfully. Tomorrow REST API will start. By month ending REST API also I will finish. 31st is our last class. ఇంకెన్నాళ్ళు వస్తారేంటి? సరే బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మళ్ళీ హాస్టల్లో చికెన్ అయిపోద్ది.